Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 billion signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's Monday morning, time to analyze the major currency pairs. Of course, we got last week very volatile week full of economical events. This week supposed to be a little bit less volatile, but still we have a couple of very major events. We start with Monday. Not a lot of economical events. Tuesday we have Powell's speech, 5 p.m. GMT time. US dollar is gonna be volatile for sure. New home sales for the US, consumer confidence for US. So definitely Tuesday expect big volatility on the US dollar. So Wednesday, what do we have? Interest rate decision 1.5% according to the forecast to keep the same interest rate. In New Zealand, inflation report in United Kingdom regarding the Great British Pound, 9:15 GMT. Crude oil inventories 2:30 crude oil. We have 2:30 GMT time on Wednesday. Thursday, not very volatile day, and Friday CPI on the euro for the eurozone. So very big events. These are the highlights that I would give you. This is what I'm gonna follow. And now let's take a look technically the charts, what's going on with the majors, and should we change some support and resistance lines. As usual, we start with euro US dollar. As you can see, the price is just going up like hell, and we're gonna switch this support into a new support level right now. 1.1348 is our new support level. I'm gonna keep this one in order to have the zone support zone. Euro is bullish currently. We started creating uptrend of the euro US dollar. Still, I'm not trading it. I prefer the cross currencies with the euro, but definitely euro is in a bullish momentum. So GBP US, let's take a look what's going on here. GBP just reached the resistance line that we placed a couple of days ago. 1.2747 is our resistance line with support zone that was very well respected. 1.2604 round number and 1.2557 our support zone here. It was tested and bounced back to the next resistance, 1.2747. So for now I'm gonna keep this, and I'm gonna place even one more resistance line here on this bottom in order to have resistance zone. 1.2771 is between, and 1.2747 is our resistance zone. This is the level that you have to focus on. GBP definitely can bounce back because started creating range, and we can see the bottom again, or otherwise if it breaks out we can see the next resistance. We're gonna see what is gonna happen in the next 2 days. On Wednesday we're gonna have a new video anyway, so we're gonna track down what's going on then. Australian US absolutely accurately tested the resistance 0.6961. We have a resistance zone here, still very strong, still very reliable. So if we see price here, we can definitely looking for short opportunities. Australian dollar is bearish, so right now it's trying as the GBP US dollar to start creating a range, but not yet, not confirmed. Definitely we have to see the price here around this resistance zone before we can consider this as range. Australian US, very clear chart. Definitely I would follow it. If we see strong bearish momentum around these levels, we can take a short opportunity or otherwise break out to the upside. New Zealand US, keep exactly the same level, 0.6613. Just don't forget about Wednesday's interest rate decision in New Zealand. This is definitely gonna bring volatility on the New Zealand dollar. We are away from the resistance, 10-15 pips, not a lot, but still away. 0.6613 as resistance and 0.65253 as support level here. I'm gonna keep exactly the same levels. For now, New Zealand is not clear enough in order to trade it for me, but if you wanna trade it, go for it. USD Canadian dollar. Okay, Canadian dollar is going up because the crude oil is started going up as well. So what do we see? Strong breakout of this support level, support zone even. Went down with more than 100 pips and bounced back to the upside, tried to test the resistance line and didn't manage to, obviously, and right now is trying to push even more lower. Let's take a look the crude oil before we completely analyze the USD Canadian. The price is holding this support level. It was resistance 57.30, right now is support, and we can definitely expect further upside movement of the crude oil, which means upside movement of the Canadian dollar and USD CAD going down. So I'm gonna place a new support line here on USD Canadian, which is gonna be our recent bottom, 1.3150. And this is actually the level that we have to looking for. Bear in mind that we definitely can test this resistance zone before we reach 1.3150. Be careful with the USD Canadian for now. Just I simply suggest you to pay more attention on crude oil, because right now just the crude oil is incredibly clear as our new resistance. I'm just gonna move this support to new resistance. Is definitely this level, 59.70, around $60 per barrel. The chart is incredibly sorry, clear, and definitely it's gonna give us good opportunities for trading. USD Swiss, absolutely clear, trying to bounce back. Right now is trying to test the resistance, far away from it. We're talking about 75 pips. 0.9853 is our resistance level. Just we can see slight bounce back to the downside on this level here. I'm gonna keep this one 0.9799. We can easily move it to a round number 0.98. Strong resistance line. So this is the new level that you have to looking for shorting, or 0.9853. It's quite normal to see, of course, recovery. Just take a look. We're talking about for 3 days, 260 pips around. So it's drop. This is significant. Definitely 250, 260, 270 for such a short period of time. 3 days is a very significant drop. So because of this, it's quite normal to see recovery to the upside. GBP Japanese. What do we have? Clear breakout, holding the support, and right now obviously he is trying to recover as USD Swiss franc. 107.84 is our resistance level, and the level that we have to looking for short opportunities. It was tested here also, very clear level, and I'm just gonna place a new support level here because it was created last week. 107 round number. Not surprised that the price is bouncing back from the round number, because you know round numbers are acting like support and resistance lines, and we are waiting to see 107.84 in order to take some short positions on the USD Japanese. Welcome guys to our academy. You're more than welcome if you want to join. You know how to do it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, thumbs up, comments below. If you want to reach me, you know how to do it. Have a very profitable week. Goodbye.